Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Steve Madden Totes is probably one of the most essential accessories for any woman on the go, seamlessly blending fashion-forward design with practical functionality, making it the perfect companion whether you're heading to work, running errands, or enjoying a weekend getaway, all while elevating your everyday style with its distinctive aesthetic and offering ample space for all your daily essentials. Number 5. Montana West Chain Top Handle Tote Bag. Discover your new favorite accessory. This stunning bag combines practicality with a touch of sophistication, perfect for any occasion. Adorned with a distinctive chain top handle, it offers a unique and fashionable look. This detail elevates its design, making it stand out. As a spacious tote, it's ideal for carrying all your essentials. You'll find it incredibly versatile, adapting to your daily needs effortlessly. Crafted with the modern woman in mind, it blends functionality with feminine elegance. It's the perfect companion for work, errands, or a night out. Experience the renowned quality and craftsmanship of Montana West. This handbag is built to last, offering both style and durability. What we like? This bag stands out with its distinctive chain top handle, adding a touch of edgy elegance to any outfit. Its unique design makes it a statement piece, perfect for elevating your daily look or a night out. If you like to make a fashion statement and appreciate unique details, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Montana West Tote Bags. Discover the perfect blend of style and functionality. These bags are designed for the modern woman on the go, offering both elegance and practicality. With a sophisticated aesthetic, it complements any outfit. Its timeless appeal ensures you'll always look chic and put together. Featuring a comfortable top handle, it's easy to carry by hand. You can also wear it as a satchel for hands-free convenience, adapting to your needs. Crafted with women in mind, it offers ample space for your essentials. This bag is truly a statement piece for any occasion, from work to weekend outings. Experience the quality and durability built into every stitch. It's made to last, becoming a reliable companion for years to come. Elevate your everyday style with this exquisite accessory. It's more than just a bag, it's an extension of your personality and a testament to your taste. What we like? This classic satchel offers timeless appeal and practical functionality for your daily essentials. Its structured design and ample space make it ideal for organized carrying. If you are looking for a reliable and stylish everyday bag that complements various outfits, this one is a perfect match. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source data. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted. Number 3. JKM & Company Rolling Laptop Bag for Women. Discover the perfect blend of style and functionality. It is designed specifically for the modern professional woman, making her daily routine smoother and more elegant. Its sophisticated design makes it more than just a bag, it's a statement piece. You'll turn heads while maintaining a professional appearance with it. Rest assured, your valuable tech is secure. It comfortably accommodates laptops ranging from 13 to 17 inches, keeping them safe on the go. Whether you're heading to the office or embarking on a business trip, it is your ideal partner. It simplifies your commute and travel needs effortlessly. Say goodbye to heavy shoulders. Its smooth rolling wheels and sturdy handle ensure effortless navigation through airports and city streets. What we like? This rolling laptop bag redefines convenience for the professional on the go, effortlessly gliding through airports and offices. It provides superior protection for your 13 to 17-inch laptop, combining style with practicality. If you frequently travel for business or carry a heavy laptop and want to reduce strain, this wheeled briefcase is your ultimate solution. What people say. Number 2. IGOLUMON 15.6-inch Laptop Tote Bag for Women. This stylish laptop bag is crafted from high-quality PU leather with a soft, water-resistant lining. Its classic and elegant look makes it a chic accessory for any outfit, while the smooth metal zipper ensures lasting durability. It features a smart 3-layer design for all your essentials. A main padded pocket safely holds laptops up to 15.6 inches, alongside a large open section for documents and an inner zipper for personal items. You'll find dedicated pockets for pens, slips, and even water bottles. Measuring 16.73 by 4.92 by 12 inches, it offers ample space. This bag comes with a comfortable, adjustable handle and a detachable shoulder strap, allowing it to be carried as a briefcase, handbag, shoulder bag, or crossbody. Its large capacity makes it ideal for daily use, whether for shopping, office, college, or business trips. The unique retro pattern on the front ensures it effortlessly complements both casual and formal wear. It even includes a detachable premium silk scarf, adding a unique feminine touch. This makes it a distinctive and eye-catching gift choice for mothers, girlfriends, wives, or sisters on any special occasion. What we like. This professional laptop tote combines elegant design with impressive organization, featuring a dedicated padded compartment and multiple pockets. Its waterproof material ensures your belongings stay safe and dry, while the detachable silk scarf adds a chic, personalized touch. If you need a stylish, highly organized, and protective bag for work or daily commutes, this one offers both functionality and flair. What people say. This tote bag features a spacious main compartment, perfect for carrying all your daily essentials. The durable faux leather material ensures longevity and a sophisticated look. It includes a convenient interior pocket for organizing smaller items. Number 1. Steve Madden 4-piece Softside Luggage Set. This 4-piece Softside luggage set is designed for effortless journeys. Its lightweight construction helps you avoid airline fees, making it ideal for both domestic and international trips. Navigate busy airports with ease thanks to its ergonomic handle. The 4-spinner wheel system provides smooth, 360-degree movement over any surface, relieving pressure from your arms. Featuring a stylish and elegant design, this collection caters to the latest fashion trends. Its high-quality polyester lining ensures durability, making it a perfect gift for any occasion. Experience superior balance with its wide-wheel positioning, preventing it from falling forward. A unique base structure provides additional strength and stability, ensuring your belongings are secure. Your satisfaction is guaranteed with a limited 5-year manufacturer warranty. This promise covers repair or replacement for any manufacturer defect, giving you peace of mind on every adventure. What we like. This comprehensive 4-piece luggage set provides everything you need for any trip, from a weekend getaway to an extended vacation. Its lightweight soft side construction offers flexibility and ease of packing, while the 360-degree spinner wheels ensure effortless navigation. If you are a frequent traveler looking for a coordinated, durable, and easy-to-maneuver luggage solution, this set is an unbeatable value. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.